Eh! No! Diyan na lang yun. Ah! Huh? Mom! I do not know. You grab it, you steal it, you eat it.
Why does it smell like smoke? What does they say now? Say now.
You, hehe. Poop.
She's thinking about food, snacks. Shout out to Steven, David, Pitus. Yeah. Wait lang.
Take two.
Shout out to Steven, David, and Pitus. That are the names of the gods Zilla.
Go.
I wake up, it was traffic. And when I'm surprised, my face like this. Look at this. Look at this warm up. Okay, let's see. I'm on Dodge Challenger. You see? Shout out in Dodge. What are you doing? Bro, did they just flinch on that freaking fly thing? David Pitus? Ay, is David a girl? Because if Pitus is a bro, are they boy?
Oh.
Stop freaking filming the flip. Oh my days. It's like I just went to eye surgery. Nah bro, if he's calling me, I call him too. He calls me, I call him too. I call him, he calls me. He want fight, I want fight.
Ding dong, ine mapi. Assalamualaikum. He filmed me. He harassing.
Filming. She eat me. Eat me. Look. She harass. Habibi harass. Bro, why are you getting me a flincher? You flinching me? You see? You harassing me.
Okay.
Me aren't even planning this whole thing. This thing we meet. Why you harass? Assalamualaikum.
Chicken curry.
What the hell? Ano yun?
Bro, do that again.
Why
Please,
she
I
harass?
beg.
Harass.
Do that again.
Harass. Wife right now, man. Smack your wife right now. Freak, man. What do you mean? I don't know. Don't harass you like this.
What kind of harassment?
I'm so freaking sweaty. Harass you. No. Ako nga rin eh. Di ba pawis ko? Oh my god. Possible and one impossible about this thing. She is so short. She can fit under there. But the impossible one, she can't. You know why? Yeah. I dropped the freaking ice cream.
Ulit. Piatos!
Piatos. Shout out Steven David Fungus.
Okay.
At I cannot remember. SDF.
Deeply apologize to Beatus.
Oh, you say?
Don't mind if I do. Wait. Guys, special flavor pa to.
Limited.
Beef bulgogi.
Why are you eating them? You know that's illegal.
Do you know
Illegal.
what beef bulgogi?
Huh?
Beef bulgogi.
Bulgogi. I like that. 3 times a day.
Bro, what?
Dun ka. Sa may stuck yan na gray. Bro, I cannot see.
I also cannot see.
Okay. Wait lang.
Hindi kita.
Up. Game. And what? Ang hot man, Red.
Bro, yours, it's so, it's so shiny. Our hand is so shiny.
No way. You see the white car? You see it? Nakita mo nag-turn on light?
Ice cream. Di ba nahulog yung ice cream?
Ice cream, yeah, man. My friend.
I think we're leaving. We're leaving.
We're gonna go.
Eat.
The freaking kid, bro. Look at the freaking kid. Bro, save me the kid. Zesty.
Oh, ito. Look at, he's drawing right here.
Bro.
Magaling ka sa science. Anong score mo sa science? Okay. Bakit hindi, kahit metal to, bakit pag ginanon ko, hindi pa rin nag-lit at fire? Dami. Kaya pupunta doon.
Bro. At the bathroom. There's a speaker in it playing SZA, I think. And this guy's just staring at us while we do our thing.